I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will explore how to solve linear systems graphically, especially when we have fractions involved. So I'll take up an example which has fractions and we'll understand the concept of solving equations with fractions using graph. Now let me write down an equation like y equals to half of x minus 1 as one of the equations, and let us take another equation as y equals to 2x plus 2. So this is kind of a simple linear system which can help us demonstrate the steps involved, right? So these are my two equations and that forms a linear system. More than one equation means a linear system. Now we have to sketch a graph of the lines and then find point of intersection. Clearly the slope is not the same, so they do intersect at a point. Now the first equation is y equals to half x minus 1. So what we will do is whenever the fractions are involved, we should select a scale which could incorporate these fractions also. So what I will do is I'll take two divisions as 1, right? So if I take two divisions as 1, in that case it becomes easier and we can then get an answer which is more accurate to read. So let us say this is minus 1, that is plus 1, minus 1 and plus 1. And now we will sketch the lines. So the first line is minus 1 is the y-intercept, so that is the y-intercept. And now we have a slope of half, means rise of 1 and run of 2. So rise of 1 means one step, run of 2 means this is 1 and then 2, right, like that. So we could also go negative, negative 1 and negative 2, 1 and 2. So we get these 3 points which could be joined and then we get our line, correct? So we'll just join them. The idea here is that if fractions are involved in the equation, then we can at times select a scale so that it is easy for us to read the answer, right? The second equation is y equals to 2x plus 2. So 2 is the y-intercept, 1, 2, so that is the y-intercept. Slope is 2, so we can go 2 up, 1, 2 and 1 right, or we could go 2 down and 1 left. So that these 3 points should give us a straight line. 2 are enough, but 3 are good, right? So when we join them and extend, they do intersect the first line at a point, and that point becomes our solution. So we can read this from the graph and write down the solution. So now what is the solution for us? This point is at minus 1, minus 2. So that is minus 2 for us, and the y value is 2. So the solution for us is let us say point P, and the coordinates for point P are minus 2, minus 2, right? That is also minus 2. So that is how you can get easily a solution using a graph, right? I took a very simple example mainly because I wanted to demonstrate you that you should not always take one unit as 1. You can actually enlarge your scale, get a bigger and clear picture so that the accuracy of your graph increases and you get a better answer, right? So now you can clearly write that the answer for this linear system is minus 2, minus 2. I hope that helps. Thank you.